Hi, I'm Sarah Bendrick, licensed landscape contractor, and today I want to show you guys how to build a decorative fence using DESIGN-VU's panels along with Outdeco's in-ground post and frame system. You could also use MODINEX panels for a dramatic backdrop or a private retreat. You can orient these horizontally or vertically. Now let's get started. These black powder-coated galvanized steel posts come pre-drilled on 3 sides, so make sure that the flat side is facing out. Don't forget to add the top cap to the top of the post, and then dig your hole and place your post in the concrete. These posts are designed to be 75 inches above ground, so make sure when you're placing your posts that they're level and plumb. Yeah, so if you are having trouble lifting your bag of concrete, you can just cut it in half like this. And now you have 2 half bags that you can pour in. And in this install method, we are placing 1 post at a time and using our panel to space out the second post. Now we're going to assemble our channel systems for our DESIGN-VU panels in a vertical installation. You're going to connect 2 sides and the bottom with the corner connectors. The side channels have 1-inch slots so you can adjust your panels up and down as you need to create a level fence. Now this partially assembled frame will allow you to find the spacing for your next post. Line up the adjustable slots with the pre-drilled holes on the existing post. Now you can set your second post. Make sure that it's level and plumb. Now that you have 2 posts in and the channels attached, you can prepare your panels. Using the included drill bit, drill 1 hole on each 72-inch side, 36 inches down, and 2 holes on the 36-inch side, 8 inches in. All holes should be 1/4 inch in from the edge. Now take the panel and place it in the post in the partially assembled channel system. Because these panels are made out of 100% recycled plastic, this should be fairly easy to do, but don't let their flexibility fool you. They're actually very strong. Now that the panel's in the frame, you want to slide it about halfway up to expose the holes that you just drilled. Push 1 pin into each hole. This helps secure the panel in the channel and provides additional support in case of high winds. Now we want to add the top channel and connect 1 corner and slide it to the other side over the pins. Using a rubber mallet to attach the other corner, and then attach the whole top channel to the side channels. Now we want to secure our frames using the 1/4 inch drill bit. Drill through the middle but not through the poly corners, and use the channel locking screws to lock your corners in place. Do this on both sides. So we have 1 panel in, and honestly you can use this as a feature if you like it just like that, but if you're looking to build a whole fence, you need to continue and repeat some of the steps. So I'm bringing my team in to keep this project moving. Last panel. We created this beautiful decorative fence. Not only does it add privacy, but it also adds elegance to this yard. It's also super durable and really low maintenance.